Hi everyone, this is Narendra. Let's talk about functional interface in Java 8 today. So I will show you a demo. Okay, so I'll create a class. Let demo. Okay, so I will define a interface. I'll call as a, and only one method I will pass. Okay, void show. So in Java 8, if a interface having only one abstract method, we call as it is functional interface. Some people are saying it is SAM, single abstract methods. Okay, so we can say SAM interface. Okay, so how will we ensure that only one method will be there? We should annotate it functional interface, so that you cannot add any more method. If you add any more method, it will give a error. Okay, it will say like it is not a functional interface. Okay, so better to annotate it. So let's see, suppose I wanted to call this show method. Okay, what is the way? Okay, so we cannot create a object of an interface, right? But we need this object which is implementing this. So okay, if we'll write like this new a, so we cannot instance it. Obviously we need a implementer class of object so that we can call that show method, right? Let implement one class b implements this a interface, and we'll override that abstract method, that is show. Okay, and here we'll pass that b object. Okay, now we'll able to call that, right? It's simple. So what is the alternative? Okay, suppose let comment this b class, implemented class. Okay, let comment this, and we need a object of this interface who is having the implementer of this show, right? What I will do, I will use anonymous class to define to implement this show here. I will do like this. I will implement this show method here. Okay, so I will do public void show, let implement. Okay, so you see, in show, that means without using this implementer class we'll be able to implement this show method by using this anonymous class. Okay, so in this is the Java 8, before Java 8, this is the use, right? In anonymous class, use of anonymous class, we can do like this. But in Java 8 they have introduced this functional interface. By using this we can write a very simple code. Okay, how we will make it, let do. Okay, so what I will do, you see here, this object expecting a object of a class who is having show method implementation, right? So you see, this we know this is repeating, right? If we'll use this interface, already we declare as interface and the show method, so this is repeating, right? Let remove this. Okay, so you see here we are removing a curly bracket, right? Starting curly bracket. So for that we need to remove this curly bracket. Let remove this curly bracket first, and this new a, we know that it's common, like we'll remove this. Okay, let remove this, and what we'll do, we'll add a arrow mark. Okay, and this if we are having one statement, this curly bracket also not required. Okay, So let remove this curly bracket. Okay, and also this semicolon nothing doing, right? Let remove that. Now you see the beauty of code. You see this arrow mark is nothing but symbol of lambda expressions. Okay, so that means here this is the implementation of this functional interface. So you see, if you run now, it will give result. And so how simple it is. So let's say this so having some parameters, like suppose int num, we are having one parameter. Obviously whenever we'll call, so we'll let pass 5. Okay, and that num here will declare int num, and that parameter we are printing here. So 5. Okay, so even this declarations of type is not required because here already we defined it. Okay, so if we remove also, we'll get a result. You see, so because of this functional interface, this lambda expression is possible, and it is very easy to write, and no need to write that anonymous class. Okay, so I will explain more about this lambda expression in a separate session. So this is all about functional interface. Okay, thank you. If any doubt, you can comment, I will respond. Okay, thank you.